We all know story tales. This one is about a boy who fell in love. Crazy how he thought this would last forever.
Sleepless beats.
One message turned into thousands. Date turned into a sleepover. Cooking dinner together. Laughing, making up everywhere. Giving me your keys to drive your car. They had no limits together. It's crazy how he thought this would last forever. Everything was temporary. He lost hope, being happy ever again. Now he's waking up, missing you, missing your perfume, missing your touch. There's nothing you can do to fix him. It's like you blocked him everywhere it's possible. You looked so beautiful, like to the full. Who thought it will make a hell? He couldn't compare anyone to you. I think you made him lose hope, finding anything better. And now he can't do anything to fix it. He still gets those flashes of your face. And he closes his eyes. He wanna let you know how you changed him up, building him up and down for the better. But you wouldn't listen anyway. And now he can't do anything to fix it. He's getting over. He's getting over you. I guess you gotta bury him under the ground. There's nothing better than you two. But without you, he fell to the bottom. He fell to pieces, fell to pieces, fell to pieces, fell to pieces. Without you, he can't fix himself. Now he's broken, now he's crying, now he's cutting himself. He wants to feel better, and everything comes to an end. Like a toxic love story. But now he's dead inside, breaking other hearts. Karma. He wishes he was okay. He wishes he was feeling good. Loving you was like a dead wish. Who thought that love like this was poisoned? If one heart breaks, another can take it. Everyone could see it. And he fell to the bottom. He fell to pieces, fell to pieces, fell to pieces, fell to pieces. Without you, he can't fix himself. Now he's broken, now he's crying, now he's cutting himself. He wants to feel better, and everything comes to an end. The boat was found dead, heroin overdose.